everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week to share what's in my bag. Yes, 2024, I need to start off with a what's in my bag video, because for a while I used to do those videos all the time to share mines with you all. Already know what bag I am carrying. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead, jump straight into this here what's in my bag for 2024. As you know, this is the bag that I ended up keeping. I'm not going to do a review. Like I found in the description box, I will leave my unboxing, and I also will leave the last review I did on this particular bag. I'll say before we get into the what's in my bag, I'm so glad I ended up choosing the bigger version of this here the Neo No Way bag. No, I did purchase the BB, and I like the BB, but I ended up switching it out for the MM size, and like I said, I am so thankful that I ended up switching it to the bigger version, because like I really love this hair bag. Where I had some ladies say that they ended up returning the bag, and I also heard a lot of things about this bag years ago, 4 years ago. I'm assuming Louis Vuitton took care of the issue, because I did hear a lot of people had issues with glazing, and I have helped me in my situations. But if it's an issue on their behalf, I know they will take care of the situation, so I'm not really worried about the glazing issue, but I do think they did take care of that. The new bags moving forward don't have that issue, but like I said, if I do see glazing issues with this particular bag, it's going straight to Louis Vuitton, because after you purchase the bag, you do get it like a warranty on the bag, like I guess a year. Expecting this bag like crazy for the year that I have it, so if I do see any issues, I'm going to take her right back. I did add this here particular strap on myself. I did get this here from Amazon. Now I do wish this strap was the strap drop was a little shorter, because this here is 12 inches, something that's a little 10 inches or shorter, but I can't find anything, y'all. I keep finding 12 inches, and I want something a little shorter. About repurchasing this, because this here I did loosen up, because I did use this on my other bag, so I feel like maybe if I buy the same strap with it being really stiff, it will give me what I need until eventually loosen up. But I don't know, y'all, I'm not sure what to do, because I just want it a little shorter, like I don't know, maybe like this short. I wish I can just like redesign this strap myself and just fix it, because I love the strap, but I don't know, I don't like it to hang too long. It's not about the strap, but I do like the strap. If you do have this bag and you don't have a strap, please buy the strap, because you would thank me later. You have to have the strap, because I do see this bag through Sephora, not a lot, but I do see it. But a lot of people carry it with just this strap, and they probably didn't watch YouTube to see that you can purchase another strap. So some people might not want to mix, you know, something like this with the original Louis Vuitton. I don't have a problem with it, but yeah. Really quick, like I said, here is the strap. I do plan to get my initials somewhere here on the strap. Not sure when, but I do plan to get that done sometime soon. And you can take these hair straps out. Like, you can take these straps out and you can put a bandeau through these little holes. Now, I did say I probably wouldn't do it, but then I was just like, maybe I should. The only issue with that is just getting everything back to how it was, like tying everything back to how it was, issue that I have. But one of the ladies in my comments said it really looks nice, and I can see it looking nice, because I was thinking about buying some type of accessory to go with this. I wasn't sure if I was going to get a bandeau or some type of charm to go with this bag, because I do want some type of accessory to go with this hair bag, y'all. Oh my gosh, I love this hair bag so much. When I tell you, I do not have to compromise none of my SLGs or anything like that. I can bring my kitchen sink and some comfortable. So like I said, you do get two sides. I'm gonna just pull things out, go into what's in my pouches, because y'all probably already seen it a million times. I just wanted to start off the new year with a what's in my bag. Things y'all seen millions of times, but again, this is just what I carry. I'm not going to change it up just to do a video. So I do have some tissues that I got from Target, a nail pink pouch, my gum that I got from, well, my case, the mint case is from Lidl's, and I just have some gum here in the inside. I have my purple toothpicks that I got from Walmart. I have my Chanel lip gloss. I got this here in that Chanel Christmas set. And then I have my iPhone. I have the 14 Pro Max, you all. I have a picture of myself. I upgrade whenever that happens. I'm thinking about downsizing because I'm always getting a Max, and I think I'm gonna just stick with just the original version of the iPhones. I don't know. I just want, because like when I try to place my phone in my car, like on the mount, this here sometimes is a little too heavy and big. So I'll just get the smaller version, because in my mind, I got the Max because I felt like I was going to film and record. Now I do film and record, but I don't think it's going to be that big of a difference versus the Max and the original size phone. So I am thinking of downsizing to just like a whatever, no Maxes anymore. Like I don't want no more Maxes. I'm gonna go and downsize. Here, y'all, I just got this here from Casemate because a client came in and she was out, and I saw her phone and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. And she was like, oh, my friend works for this particular brand, which is Casemate, and she was like, she sent me over a bunch of stuff, cases and everything. I got a Marshall, but these here I got at I ordered them off of Casemate because they were having a sale, like 50% off. I think these here are 30, and with the 50% off I paid 15. But y'all, the cutest thing, because y'all know I love bling and sparkly and all types of stuff like that. So yeah, I'll try and link these down below for you all because they're easy. They're really easy to apply to the back of your camera, and it also protects your camera. So that was everything on that one side. I have my Chanel wallet, my keys, and I wish my key fob can fit inside of here some kind of way. I don't know. I have my pochette that I will have forever and ever. I have my Dior lotion. I have receipt. I have my little, what is it, handkerchief that I got from Louis Vuitton. So I use these to clean my glasses because I noticed that when I use a paper towel or a towel, it leaves residue. And I noticed when I use this and spray alcohol on my glasses, I don't have that issue. So I do keep this in my bag. So when I do wear glasses, they not prescription. They just like stylish glasses that I like to wear when I don't want to wear makeup. Perfume. And I have the Ariana Grande in there. My daughter's braces card for her next appointment. My Louis Vuitton card. Coupon for unlimited car washing. Stuff do slide from side to side, but like I said, it don't bother me. I'll just go and grab it. But if you do like this bag and that's an issue for you, I would recommend you purchasing the inserts that they do have. They do sell them on Amazon. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to purchase any inserts. If I do, of course, I will let you all know. Link them down below as well, just in case you already have the bag and you may want to add inserts to the bag just so you don't have that issue. Again, make sure you click on my description box and click on my Amazon storefront, and it'll take you to everything that I mentioned here on this video. I do have my Airpods. I did put them back in its bling case because I did get my daughter some, so now I had to put them back in the case so we don't get our Airpods mixed up. Out of the zipper pocket. Now this here zipper pocket is a lot bigger than the BB. I have this here Gucci little case. Now this here was Gucci, what was it, a Gucci blush. So what I did, if you can see, it has a little hole here. I took like a little bobby pin or something and I pushed the blush out mirror, and this here is empty. So what I have in here, I have some ibuprofen So like when I'm having, like I said, a headache or my back hurt or whatever, I have this. Now I do have 2 other pill holders already, but I just wanted to make this into some type of something. I didn't know what to put in here, to be honest. I just threw the pills in here, so this may change. It was the cutest thing because they had the blush out, so I just put the blush in something else, and this is what I carry in my purse. Ended up keeping, because y'all know I was going back and forth with card cases back to YSL. So I ended up with the YSL, and I'm happy with my YSL. Like, I don't have no issues, no flaws or anything. The only thing is when you purchase from Nordstrom's, you don't get the full experience. I did get the YSL box in the pouch, but box, not like the big box like how Louis Vuitton. I'm happy to say I picked the YSL. I have this because, like I said, I have a hard time reading things that's like at the bottom of lip products and stuff. So, because I get a lot of clients like, can you read this? And I'm like, no, I can't see. I'll bring this to work sometimes to use it to help me to be able to see the bottom of products. And I have my Chanel mirror. A lot of mirrors, but when you have a lot of this and that, I just like to try to carry everything, because if not, it'll just sit around inside of the bag. If I ever decide to get inserts, I probably would end up with some pink inserts just to give the bag a pop of color, because it's dark in here. Like, it is dark in here. I mentioned in the video, this here is made in France, if you care to know, because I know a lot of people are particular about where their bags are made. The issue with my bag being made in the US, but some people do. But just to let you know, this baby here was made in France. I know the story behind this bag. This here bag was made to hold wine bottles in here, but that's what it was made for. I'm so happy I decided to keep this particular bag. Just confused because once I went into the store, I feel like if I never went into the store, I probably wouldn't have purchased this bag. Went into the store, that's where I became unsure, because I saw somebody come in the store. I was like, okay, do I want to go back small? And I kind of did. I ain't gonna lie, you all, I did want to switch back to the small version. Things worked out where I'm glad I kept the big version, because if I ever decide to purchase another bag or whatever the case is, then I may get the BB, but I'm okay with my MM size. Like I said, I can bring everything that I need in this particular bag. So with that being said, you all, if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel, and notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.